Good morning, my people. It's around 6:15 this morning, and I'm gonna be installing my new Apple CarPlay into the truck. So this one is from AliExpress. Obviously, it's AliExpress special, and it's 11 inches big. It's quite big. It's a big screen. It's a big boy. Right. So I did choose this one because I had the previous version which was 9-inch, but unfortunately after 2 years I did connect some weird charger into it and just burn hell out of it. And this one is the upgraded version. It's 11 inches. It's got a 4K rear camera. Dash cam, 4K dash cam, and it comes as well with reverse camera and all kinds of cables. I will show you quickly what it comes with, and then we will have a look how it's look like installed. Okay, right. So in box, on top of the head unit, you can see how big is it. That's a lorry steering wheel. It's a big screen though. It's a big boy. So I bought the full package version, what they are offering, and here is cable, which is fused, and it's got basically you can connect it 12 and 24 volts into it. Yeah, so it's suitable for the lorry perfectly. 12 or 24. Next one what we have, it's a aux cable. Next one is window mount, which I will use. And then we have a reverse camera kit, camera with reverse lines as well, and like billion meters of cable. And here's our cigarette lighter charger, which I will use now. Small touches as this it matters. Look, this adapter is suitable from 12 to 24 volts and is our USB pass-through. As well, the other end, it's Type C, but it's angled Type C. That matters. And your user manual, DVR player screen, smart screen, and it is in a questionable English, but it is still English. I did put in my unit a 256 gigabyte Samsung memory card, which appears to be working. And I'm looking forward to the FM transmitter function because this lorry doesn't have a Bluetooth on. And it's got an SD card over here. That's about it. Alright, let me set it up and we'll see how it performs. Right, I'm gonna be using this stand for now because this is not my lorry, so I don't want to permanently mount it somewhere. As you can see, the Type C is there, but even this stand, you can screw it in a dashboard if it's your truck or whatever. And it's got so you can adjust it in angle, yeah, like that. Or you can as well adjust the height on the stand, not by much, but at some extent you can. It's literally small movement, but sometimes it's all what it needs. And the camera has a joint. It's on a joint, so you can adjust it as you need it. So the primary use for me will be as a FM transmitter or aux device. Basically, I connect my phone through Bluetooth to this and transmit the music through aux or FM transmitter. Depends on which lorry I'm in. But I'm using Waze on it as well. So let's see. I will put the address where I'm going. And keyboard is gigantic. Okay, we're going there. Perfect. It's very good. We can have a small view as well, like that, with the player. So you can have a full screen, or you can press this button and you have a multi-screen, full screen, multi-screen. Let's see if I open this one. Yeah, I still have the screen protector on it, so probably the touch screen is not so sensitive, but I will leave it now for now on. Right, so in order to get to the FM or any audio settings for camera, you have that here. You can choose from speaker, CarPlay, or auto, FM, aux. I'm going for FM now. Let's choose. 88 is the lowest frequency, 108 is the highest one. Let's go with the 108. I don't know any stations at the 108. Well, I set it up on 108. Let's save my station. And it sounds really good. Except this track have a not so good speakers, but yeah. Let me start the track. Let's see if there is any hissing. Yeah, that will be. But you can't hear it while you're driving, so that's good. I'm really happy with this unit, honestly. Let's see how long it will last, because you never know with these things. But for now, yeah, it's good. That's all what I did need. Dash cam, so I'm safe. If somebody who wanna do adventures and crash into me, so I have a proof that he did it, and something what can transfer the music in these Asian head units. That's about it. Right, so this is where it will sit, and I think the picture looks perfect. It looks very good. It's already recording, and for the video purposes I will turn it off, turn it back on. Let's see how long it takes to start up. I have connected Android Auto into it, and not sure. Okay, there you go, Android Auto. So it's not the fastest device in the world, but it's not the slowest one as well. I think it's perfectly fine. It's acceptable. Let's see some footage from the dashcam. And if you have any questions, please leave them in a comment. Otherwise, a link will be in description. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
A human level of a human's point of view, whereas something like a semi.
Oh yeah.
Effectively, because you look at some of the that episode of Silicon Valley where he rides in that driverless vehicle that has like the giant sensor array on it. Something like that always made a little bit more sense to me, because I couldn't figure out how, from a driver's perspective, you could possibly hope to have enough situational awareness to have a computer operate this thing. Whereas on the semis, I could actually see them having enough awareness of their surroundings that it could make a material difference just being up higher.
But just on the front though.
No, it could be.
Because I don't think they'd attach things to whatever
You can
they're
kind of be
hauling.
out and back.
Yeah, okay.
That'd give you a pretty darn good view, and then
So you'll still have the classic.